To convert currencies on PayPal, you need to have a verified PayPal account with the necessary funds. First, log into your PayPal account and click on the Wallet tab. In the Wallet tab, you will see all the available currencies in your account. If you want to convert one currency to another, click on the Manage Currencies link. You will be taken to a page where you can add or remove currencies from your account. To add a new currency, click on the Add a Currency link and select the currency you want to add. Once you have added the currency, go back to the Wallet tab and click on the currency you want to convert from. You will see the current balance of that currency. Click on the Convert Currency link and select the currency you want to convert to. Enter the amount you want to convert and click on the Continue button. You will see the conversion rate and the amount you will receive in the new currency. Review the details and click on the Convert Now button to complete the conversion. PayPal will charge a small fee for the conversion, which will be deducted from the converted amount. The fee varies depending on the currencies you are converting and the type of account you have. To avoid high conversion fees, it is best to have a borderless account or a premium account, which offers more competitive exchange rates. Additionally, you can also use the PayPal Currency Converter tool to get an estimate of the conversion rate. Before you make the conversion, it is also important to note that PayPal uses wholesale exchange rates, which are generally more competitive than the rates offered by banks. However, the rates may vary depending on the market conditions and the time of day. In conclusion, converting currencies on PayPal is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and using the right type of account, you can minimize the conversion fees and get the best possible exchange rate.